All right, today we're gonna bring a steamer. Now this is a perfect steamer if you have college students that want to make sure you steam your rice, your vegetable. One push of a button and it all sticks out. Now they give you a little spatula for the rice, the power, some ingredients and instructions, water measurement, and a steamer for the if you want to add some vegetables on the top, you can do that when you set it up. Now everything's washable, not dishwasher. You have to actually manually wash the whole thing. All right, so wash the rice. Don't just put it directly from the actual bag. Make sure you wash it. You can see through the actual rice. We're gonna put it in the system itself. I washed everything already. We're gonna start the process. I'm gonna show you this angle when we start the actual thing. Then you're ready to connect, all right? All right, we just plugged it in right now. See how it says start? You have various, I'm gonna actually zoom in so you guys can see what, you have various things to cook in here, right? You got, it tells you right here, a little image in an LCD screen. It tells you all the stuff, various stuff that you can do. I can list them here for you guys. But today we're just gonna do something simple. We're gonna do a rice, all right? So we look for rice. We keep looking for rice, all right? Until you get function. That's where you want it. Hit start. And that's pretty much it. In 20 minutes, it's gonna be ready. Not only is it dummy proof because it has images of what you're gonna cook, but you can also manipulate the time and the temperature on this one. There's an area that's gonna steam out, so make sure you don't have anything near it when you're steaming this. And like you see it's starting, hot rice, it says hot rice. And it takes calculations of the weight and the water that you installed in there. If you want, you can always use this again. You could do your steamed vegetables at the same time with the rice. Just make sure it doesn't go over the amount. And that's pretty much it. So we're gonna come back in about 20 minutes. At the last minute, I'm gonna wait for the last minute, see what happens, and there it is. Oh, now it says warm. So it changed from rice to warm. So, all right, first time opening it up right now. So click the button. All the rice is still warm, if you guys can see that. So we're gonna grab a little bit. Ooh, that looks beautiful. Let's dress it up. Look at that. Rice, meats, vegetables,